In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show more than 50 emails in Gmail. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by the barrage of emails in your inbox, this quick tip will help streamline your email management by allowing you to view more emails per page. Let's dive right in and simplify your email experience. First things first, let's open up your Gmail account. Head over to your usual web browser and type in the Gmail URL. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself in your inbox, filled with all those emails you wish to manage more effectively. Now that you're all set, it's time to head over to the settings. Direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen, where you'll notice a small gear icon. This represents your settings. Go ahead and click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. From here, select the option that says See All Settings. This action will open up a comprehensive settings menu where the necessary changes can be made. After entering the settings area, you'll automatically find yourself in the General tab. This tab serves as your gateway to modifying a variety of Gmail settings. Take a moment to scroll through the list of options presented here, and focus on one called Maximum Page Size. Now, this setting is crucial as it controls how many emails are displayed at a time on a single page in your inbox. By default, Gmail usually displays 50 emails per page. However, we have the power to change this setting to display more. Click on the drop-down menu next to Maximum Page Size, and select the option to show 100 emails. Making this change will double your view, allowing you to see up to 100 emails per page, thus making it much easier to skim through your inbox. Once you've made this selection, there's an essential final step to ensure these changes take effect. You'll need to scroll all the way to the bottom of the page and click the blue Save Changes button. It's vital not to skip this step as it ensures the modifications are applied, allowing you to benefit from a more expanded view of your inbox immediately. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you will have successfully increased the number of emails you can view on a single page, making your email management significantly more convenient. Remember, you can always return to these settings and adjust them according to your needs and preferences as they evolve. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing!